So basically, one day I found out that even without any pro products, we had the ability to send a text message to our customers and our members who we have an ongoing recurring relationship with. In Pennsylvania, I don't need any special permission to text them if I have their mobile number. So we said, well, geez, it's, and we let ourselves get behind the 8 ball in terms of planning one AC season. And so what happened was we found this feature and we said, let's give it a whirl. Now, we got these outstanding results, but don't get me wrong, for about a week, everybody upstairs, they said, you're killing me here. Because what happened is the calls and the phone calls, the emails, etc., they came in like flood over the dike. So at the end of the day, we had 1,300 members, and you can see here within 24 hours, I had 30 people booked online, but basically I booked 15% of my tune-ups for a season within 24 hours, either on the phone, by text, on an email, or an online booking, which was fantastic. Now, what I learned as a result of that is, don't send it to all 1,300 members on the same day. Maybe you want to chunk that down a little bit and send it out in 3 or 4 waves, because as soon as that stuff started coming in, everybody in customer service is like, oh my gosh, it's crazy up here. And I said, well, remember, crazy is good. Crazy is good, but we've learned to chunk it out a little bit. And this is just from last year. And last year I had 1,300 members. And to talk about memberships, okay? And we actually have a 10-minute meeting every morning in customer service where we talk about memberships. Because we do that, this morning when we did it, I have 1,685 members. So I've had a 30% increase in my membership growth in 1 year, just because we talk about it every single day. The one woman was on vacation and she's my membership queen. And she came back and she looked at everybody and said, what the heck did you guys do? When I was gone, you only booked like 4. She said, what happened here? So with that in mind, you need a champion. So find somebody who's good at it, who likes talking on the phone, and lean into it hard. So, there are features in ServiceTitan that you can use without pro products. And we're going to talk about some of this stuff as we go on here. But, let some of this help you. Because, for the people, the 30 guys who booked online, they took care of themselves.